Tracfone points are a loyalty reward system that lets you earn points on purchases and redeem them for benefits. You primarily earn points by purchasing airtime, data, or service plans. The typical earning rate is 1 point for every $1 spent. Secondary earning methods include app usage, completing surveys, or referral bonuses, such as 500 points for referring a friend. Remember that points are tied to your phone number, are non-transferable, and have no cash value. To be eligible, you must have an active Tracfone SIM and app account. Redeeming points is done via the Tracfone app or website for instant activation. Points can be redeemed for free service days, data boosts, or add-ons like international calling minutes. Redemption tiers vary. For example, 100 points might equal 1 free service day, while 200 points could get you 500 megabytes of data. Tracfone uses AI to recommend personalized redemptions based on your usage patterns. Keep in mind that there may be a point cap of 10,000 points per account, so redeem points regularly to maximize their value.